Are you looking for the top 5 best electric scooters with seats? Finding a comfortable ride on an electric scooter can be a real challenge, especially if you're looking for something with a seat. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Nowestrva Adjustable Electric Scooter Seat. The Nowestrva Adjustable Electric Scooter Seat caught my eye right away with its ergonomic design and sturdy aluminum build, priced at just $48.79. If you want a comfortable seat that's easy to install and fits a wide range of scooters, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a weight limit of 350 pounds and adjustable height between 17.71 and 25.6 inches, this seat can accommodate nearly any adult rider comfortably. The universal compatibility means it fits most scooters with widths between 5.5 and 6.2 inches. Plus, the tool-free installation means you won't have to worry about damaging your scooter with drilling. Just pop it on and you're good to go. This seat also weighs just 3.52 pounds, making it portable and easy to transport. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky if you have a curved edge scooter. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, that convenience of not needing tools makes it a worthwhile trade-off for most riders. This is perfect for you if you want a durable and comfortable seat for daily commutes or leisure rides. Skip this one if you have a scooter outside the specified width range, but for just under $50, it offers great value for the comfort it provides. Now, if the Nowestrva's compatibility limitations bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its focus on a specific scooter model.
Product number 2, Scooter K1 Go-Kart Seat Attachment. The Scooter K1 Go-Kart Seat Attachment is an interesting find, priced at $59.99. What really caught my attention is how it transforms your self-balancing scooter into a fun go-kart experience for the whole family. This product fits 6.5, 8, and 10-inch self-balancing scooters, so you can easily upgrade your ride without buying a whole new scooter. It supports up to 265 pounds with an adjustable frame length, which means it can accommodate both kids and adults. The 360-degree smooth handling allows for easy drifting and maneuvering, bringing a thrill to your rides. Plus, it comes with everything you need for quick assembly, so you can set it up in just 5 to 10 minutes. Now, here's the downside. It's not compatible with models that have a central bar, which can limit your options depending on what you currently own. But if you're looking to add some fun and versatility to your scooter experience, this will totally change how you enjoy your rides. This is perfect for families wanting a fun activity or those who own compatible scooters. Skip this one if you don't have a self-balancing scooter, since it only transforms that type. At $60, it's a solid investment if you want to spice up your riding experience. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who own. Product number 3, Younglen Upgrade Electric Scooter Seat. The Younglen Upgrade Electric Scooter Seat is priced at $52.99 and promises a comfortable ride for Xiaomi M365 and M365 Pro owners. Honestly, this seat impressed me with its shock absorption design. The high elastic spring under the cushion really makes a difference on bumpy roads, reducing those annoying jolts. Plus, the adjustable height means it can fit riders of all sizes, ranging from 17.71 inches to 25.6 inches. It's crafted from durable aluminum alloy, which not only enhances longevity, but also makes it resistant to wear and fading. The installation is super easy too, no drilling required, and it all can be done with included tools. However, some reviews mention that it might not sit as securely as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you follow the installation instructions carefully, it should hold up just fine for casual rides. Just know it's best for those who own the specific Xiaomi models. This is perfect for you if you want a comfortable seat that enhances your Xiaomi scooter experience. Skip it if you don't have an M365 model. For just under $53, it's a nice upgrade if you're looking for comfort. Now, if you're looking for a seat with added storage, product number 4, ZW Parts Electric Scooter Seat. The ZW Parts Electric Scooter Seat is priced at $69.99 and is built for the Segway 9bot series. What caught my eye was its practicality, with a large storage bag and cup holder included. This seat attachment offers a custom fit and is super easy to install, transforming your stand-up scooter into a comfortable ride in just minutes. The 10-liter storage bag is fantastic for holding your essentials, like groceries or a water bottle, making every ride more convenient.
Plus, the high-density PU cushion provides great comfort for long rides, reducing fatigue, which is essential for long commutes. One downside is that it's only compatible with Segway 9bot models, which could limit its appeal. But for 9bot owners, it's worth it for the added convenience and comfort it offers. This is perfect for you if you own a Segway 9bot and want a comfy ride with added storage. Skip this if your scooter isn't compatible, but at $70, it offers good value for its features. Now, if you're looking for a seat specifically designed for GoTrax models, product number 5, GoTrax Electric Scooter Seat. The GoTrax electric scooter seat is available for $69.99, designed specifically for their Eclipse and Eclipse Ultra models. I was impressed with the comfort features, meant for those lengthy rides. This saddle seat is crafted to provide a breathable and comfortable experience, perfect for frequent riders. It's also adjustable from 53.2 centimeters to 69.2 centimeters, allowing for a tailored fit for riders of different heights. The installation is a breeze. Just secure it using the pre-drilled holes and you're set. No extra tools needed. And with a shock-absorbing spring, you can enjoy a smoother ride even on rough terrain. However, it's worth noting that it's only compatible with specific GoTrax models, which might leave some riders out. But if you own an Eclipse scooter, this seat could significantly enhance your riding experience. This is perfect for you if you frequently ride a GoTrax. To recap, we looked at 5 great electric scooter seats: the Nowizvara for its universal fit, Awe Scooter's fun go-kart attachment, Youngle's shock-absorbing seat, ZW Parts with its storage convenience, and GoTrax for specific model comfort. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Nowizvara because of its comfort and adjustable fit for various scooters. The one to avoid? The Awe Scooter K1 go-kart seat if you don't have a compatible scooter, as it won't serve its purpose.